Hi, my name is Kim, and I want to show you how to register a new user on our website. On our website, in the right-hand corner, you can click on Login button. In the Login pop-up, you click on Register Now. Then you click on Register. And here in the top, you select IATA number. Insert your IATA number. Then you click on Retrieve. And here it is important that your information around your brands and company information is shown in the top. If it's not, you need to re-enter and retrieve again. If your brand's information is still not retrieved, then contact your local customer support team. Then you scroll down and create a username. In the password section, it's important that you enter one of the special characters that are shown in the pop-up. In the company email, you enter your company email and fill out the remaining of the form for the information that you want to register. You need to select your default account number in the drop-down and insert a preferred airport. In your personal details, you fill in your first name and last name. Then you scroll down and then you click on the Agree Terms and Conditions and the I'm not a robot. Then click on Submit. And that is how you create an account.